In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay at McDonald's. Whether you're ordering at the counter, using the self-service kiosk, or paying at the drive-thru, Apple Pay makes the checkout process quick, secure, and convenient. Before heading to McDonald's, make sure Apple Pay is already configured on your iPhone. Open the wallet app and check that your debit or credit card has been added successfully. If you haven't added a card yet, tap the plus icon in the wallet app and follow the on-screen instructions provided by your bank. It's also a good idea to ensure that Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode is enabled since Apple Pay uses these security features to authorize purchases. Once you're at McDonald's, place your order as you normally would. You can order through the front counter, a self-service kiosk, the drive-thru window, the McDonald's mobile app if it's available in your region or area. After your order is complete, the cashier or payment terminal will display the total amount due, and then you need to activate the Apple Pay. To start the payment process, for iPhones with Face ID, double-click the side button. Your default payment card will appear on the screen. Authenticate using Face ID or enter your passcode if prompted. Now for iPhones with Touch ID, place your finger on the Touch ID sensor while holding the phone near the payment terminal. And then, once the Apple Pay is active, hold the top portion of your iPhone near the contactless payment reader. Keep the phone close to the terminal for a few seconds. You'll hear a confirmation sound, feel a slight vibration, and see a check mark on your screen indicating that the payment was successful, and the cashier will also receive a confirmation that the transaction has been completed. Now, after the payment is approved, simply wait for your order number to be called or proceed to the pickup area if you're using a kiosk or mobile order. Your receipt may be printed or available digitally depending on the restaurant location. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay at McDonald's. For as long as your card is set up in the wallet app, paying for your meal only takes a few seconds and eliminates the need to carry cash or a physical card. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.